Hey guys, what's up? Eric here from Major League Trading. I'm coming at you with another pro tip video here on the ThinkorSwim platform. So let me go ahead and pull up a quick daily chart here on the S&P 500. Go ahead and take this study off. We're going to zoom in here. So let's say you want to go ahead and drag and drop some levels in here as you're marking the chart up, and you want them to snap to a particular area. So what you're going to do is come up here to Style and then go to Settings, and then you want to make sure Snap Drawings to Open, High, Low, Close, OHLC right there is going to be checked. Click Apply and OK. And then anytime you want, a drawing to snap to a particular spot, you just have to be relatively close to that area. Also, another thing, if you're coming in every day and your charts are all zoomed out looking like this, and every morning you're coming in, you're having to zoom in and adjust your charts to the way you like them, from a style settings, go to time axis and make sure this box right here, keep time zoom, is check marked, and then every time you log out and log back in, your charts will look the exact same that they did when you left them. That's what I got for the pro tip this week. Thank you guys. Hope it helps.